this piece here, it's the water filter head assembly, which is damaged. As you can see, that there's an internal notch. It is stuck in a position which does not accept any other filters. Just to get an idea of what that means, here are the two LG filters that we're working with. This is the filter on the left, which is a brand new filter. You can look at the internal notches, and this is the filter that was removed, and that's what had happened. Apparently, because of this, the no new filter cannot go into place because it's stuck in a weird position. And that's the issue. And I'm going to identify the part that I was advised by LG that goes in here in the video that I post on YouTube. Thank you.